The probability that a randomly selected female aged 60 years old will survive the year is 99.186 according to the National Vital Statistics Report. What is the probability that 4 randomly selected 60-year-old females will survive the year? We want to find the probability that all 4 women that are randomly selected survive. First, we need to determine whether these events are independent or dependent. Whether one woman survives or not does not affect the probability that one of the others will survive, so the events are independent. So now we compute the probability that 4 randomly selected females survive the year. We want the probability that all 4 will survive. So this is the probability that the first survives, and the second survives, and the third survives, and the fourth survives. So because these events are independent, this means that we can go ahead and multiply the individual probabilities for each one. Now let's determine the probability that the first woman survives. The probability that the first survives is 0.99186. Now let's find the probability that the second survives. The probability that the second survives is also 0.99186. The probability that the third and the fourth survive is also 0.99186. You can also rewrite the expression as follows. Because you have the same number multiplied by itself 4 times, you can rewrite it as 0.99186 to the 4th power. You don't have to do this, but it makes it a lot easier to put in the calculator. Now, let's round to 4 decimal places, and we get 0.9678. And this is the probability that 4 randomly selected 60-year-old females will survive the year.